Okay, we're back. Let's go explore the rest of this swamp.
Looks like you got powered up again, Elliot. I bet a bomb would blow up this rock.
Yep, that bomb.
Faye? Faye, now!
Let's see what the Lotus
Come back to this
looks like in this
anytime.
age.
Wonder if there's anything to...
Yeah,
The fuck?
no cats.
Weyzn's
Chest.
here.
Faye, now!
Time to fly.
There it is. Means I've got to go up the other staircase.
If we wait too long, the way forward will be blocked. Go, go, go! Yeah.
Faye, please!
Keep moving.
There's the door. Okay. Wait till we heal. Fairy's power. Oh god, I'm bleeding. Time to go. When it goes up, we get up.
Let's see. Where are we? Be careful. It's dangerous. Doesn't seem like we can go
What
any
could
further.
this be?
Guess we better turn back.
Oh,
Nice!
Out we go. Oh.
Ooh, a magic spring.
There's another chest there.
This
Next
wall looks
ticket.
about ready to collapse. A cave here? Good eye.
Right, what's in here? One more
Wonder if
chest.
there's anything to find here.
There's the
Elliot, are you okay?
Show me what you've
You
got.
need healing, and quickly.
Ha! Ha!
That had to hurt. Let's see.
Okay.
Where are we?
Cat's there. Oh, he's down there. Okay. Let's come back through
please.
here.
Get moving.
Let's get this chest first, and then.
What could this be?
We found some magicite. What will it
Come
let us
back.
do?
How do we get down to that cat?
Not like this.
You can't let it end here, Elliot. Let's give it another try.
Faye, please.
Time to fly.
Ha! Ha! God! Ah! Ha!
Alright, let's try the warp.
Ah! Faye, please. Ah!
That was nice. Cheesed it.
Who's a cat kitty?
Gotcha.
Ah, there's the path. Okay. You're not meant to do what I just did then.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, come on.
That had to hurt.
Okay. Where's next? Let's head back here. There's still stuff in this area.
That had to hurt.
What could this be? Lend me your strength.
Need a little rest still. Let's see. Maybe there's a way through here. Let's press on and see.
Come on, over here.
Elliot.
Faye, please.
Time to fly.
We're now in this northern section, and there's a chest here. Oh no, there's a chest there.
Let's see. Where are we?
Can't do that until we get through there, so let's go here. Let's see if we can get up that to that chest.
Faye, now.
Wow, it's hot.
Now, what might be in here?
Inside.
Gone south here.
Lend me your strength.
Not going.
Zero.
Faye, all you.
Go, go, go! Hey, let's try whacking this thing.
Yeah. I have it.
Charge them!
Nothing there to collect, so don't matter too much. No chest there.
Faye, please.
Get moving!
We'll just double check it. No.
Lend me your strength.
Get moving!
Okay.
He sure looks strong. Wake up! Looks like he dropped something. Careful not to touch the cacti. Missing. Guidepost ho!
Where is it? Oh, here. Nothing in it. Alright, time to get out. Pleased to have got that checkpoint though.
Faye, all you.
Time to fly. Let's see. Where are we?
What could this be? Faye, now.
Go,
Faye, now.
go. Need a little rest.
Faye, please.
Get moving.
There's a cat in here. Let's go grab it.
Wonder if there's anything to find here.
Faye, please.
I can't do that now. Wow! How long can you keep this going?
Faye, please.
Go, go, go!
There's a
Let's
chest.
see. Where? I don't see a way forward.
What could this be?
Guess this is the end of the line. And away we go!
Lend me your strength.
Go, go, go!
So I was right, I've just got to keep going. Oh no, I've got to go up there and then drop down. Okay. I think it's this way.
God! Faye, please!
Go, go, go!
Cat time. Is that done?
You sure are Faye.
Let's see. Where are we?
Lend me your strength.
Go, go, go! Owie. Ooh, a magic spring!
That's the ticket.
No doorway or anything here.
Faye, all you.
Splish splash and away you go! Look! There we could get past if we went into the water.
Now what might be in here? Hey, not bad.
Oh, magicite fragments! Wow, you sure are fast!
Faye, now.
Get moving!
Ah!
Check something. There's a chest there.
Show me what you've got, hmm?
We found some magicite! What'll it let us do?
Yeah! God! What was that?
Let's go find out!
Oh no!
Someone's being attacked?
But why? Some water aren't antagonistic in this ig.
Well, I can wait. Right now. She needs help. Whoa! Just a traveling adventurer. Please stay well behind me, ma'am.
All right.
Do you think it's malfunctioning?
I think our only choice is to take it down.
Strange. The water in this age aren't usually silent. Do you think it was...
too easy, man.
Ooh. What's this?
Thank you for rescuing me. My name is Hilalda. I brought that Thaumaton along as a bodyguard.
I'm not sure.
The Thaumaton's core, but it's all black and I recently switched to the new core model. Perhaps that set it off. Oh, dear.
I'd be happy to step in as bodyguard. If helping people in trouble is what adventurers do. My name's Elliot.
Oh my, you're too... But, would you I need some flowers for my parents' memorial service.
I don't see why not.
Thank you.
Oh, wow! Look how beautiful they are!
I suppose my eyes are on the horizon so much, I tend to overlook the flowers blooming at my feet.
Finding different kinds of flowers like this is something I always... My very favorite is the torch flower. Oh, but it's so rare. A different adventurer once showed me. When I do find a rare flower, I preserve it by pressing it between...
Ooh, pressed flower!
This should be enough.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you very much for seeing me home, Elliot. With your help, I was able to gather a beautiful...
I'm glad I could be of service.
I had so much fun watching you two.
Elliot, would you mind delivering that broken Thaumaton core to...
Mind? Not...
It's a new model, you see.
You know the director of the...
Well, yes. But I haven't spoken to him in years. The core was sent to me through an intermediary.
Isn't that all the more reason you should go see him yourself?
I would like to mend things between us if I could. But right now, he says he's too busy even to see... What if he hates me? So, will you go? If you do see him, tell him this. I'll wait as long as you need me to.
All right. I'll deliver...
Thank you.
Why would Hilalda's brother dislike her so?
Just trying to think where
Maybe
we
we'll
go.
find
It's up
something out when
there.
we deliver the Thaumaton core. That had to hurt.
Who are you? You can't...
I apologize for the intrusion. I have a delivery from your sister. Here it is.
Sister. One of our new cores.
Yes. And the Thaumaton that was using it.
There may have been an unexpected issue with the device. I'll investigate later. Brave the dangers outside the city just to pick flowers, eh?
She said they were a memorial offering for her parents.
I know that. She loves those ridiculous flowers so much, she even presses them for me.
Is this?
I'm told they call it a torch flower. Our ancestors were quite attached to them. Has some special meaning in the language of flowers, too. Not that I care enough to remember it. In any case, I've put my roots and my past behind me. I'm not interested in any of that now. The results I'm delivering here are what matter. Family is a purely sentimental connection.
But sentimental connections are like flowers that brighten our life. Think of the way you treasure that bookmark, even if you don't know the language of flowers.
You don't know the first thing about me. I use this bookmark because it makes reading more efficient, that's all.
Hilalda gave me a message for you, too. I'll wait as long as you need me to.
It's too late for that. She'd be better off simply forgetting me. I'll send her a new Thaumaton core. Tell my sister.
I will.
He said it didn't matter, but he was clutching that bookmark real close to his chest, wasn't he? He clearly loves it. We should tell Hilalda.
Faye, please!
Go, go, go!
Director Fausta.
Ah, I see the problem. I'll have to remove... Whoop!
Are you all right?
Elliot! Thank you for coming to the rescue. I still have other units to work on. And now...
Other units?
Research that helps people. The Formina Institute was founded on that principle. If you spend all your time cooped up in...
Still, it's a lot to...
I might take you up on that.
This is a Thaumaton...
First, find a magic spring. That's where magic wells from the ground.
A magic spring.
Yes, exactly. That... If you take the core to the magic spring, it will fill on its own.
All right.
Come to think of it, Carter was searching for a magic spring when we met him. Once we're ready, we should head out to look for one.
Thank you, Ellie.
He said he'd send you a replacement Thaumaton core. He was still using the pressed flower bookmark you sent. And he told me to ask you to wait. I don't think he'd say that if he really hated you.
He said that. I'll keep reaching out to him. I have to believe that one... until that...
Please, do.
I hope what we did helps them patch things up. Let's see, where are we?
So I gotta go here. It's the nearest to get to back to where we were.
Ooh, a magic spring! That had to hurt.
Oh, it's there. It's up the top. Which means it's collectible from there. Okay, that's fine. Come back round for that another time.
Splish splash and away you go! Wow, you sure are fast! Nice going! Keep bringing the heat! another spring. Hey, look!
Show me what you've got,
Treasure
hmm?
inside!
Faye, please!
Go, go, go!
God!
Owie! New
Another
adventure
chest on the other
guidepost!
side of the bridge.
What could this be? Hey, not bad. Lend me your strength.
That had to hurt. Huh. I guess this one didn't have enough power. We better find another spring.
Lend me your strength.
Time to fly. Wonder where this leads.
Not enough.
Faye, now.
Get moving. Huh. I guess this one didn't have enough power. We better find another spring.
There's a chest up here.
Faye, now.
Time to
Show me
fly.
what you've got, hmm? Hey, not
Something
bad.
good will happen if you collect lots of magnesite fragments, right?
There's the cat that we were missing.
Wow.
You sure are.
Let's see.
Let's
Where
head back
are
up here because I want to check the
Where we
waterfall
go?
cave.
Faye, all you.
Go, go, go! Splish, splash, and away you go. Time to dive. Wow, you sure are fast. There's a way through here. Maybe to treasure? Let's see. Where are
5 chests.
we can get through here if you dive. Looks like this door's locked.
what you've got, hmm? Hey, not
Hooray,
bad.
Yuki! Now we can move on.
Faye, please.
Get moving. Yes, it opened. Yeah.
Now, what might be in here? Hey,
Whoa,
not bad.
oh, magnesite fragments. Be careful. They look dangerous.
Faye, please.
Time to fly.
Faye, all you.
Splish splash, there you go.
Faye, please.
Go, go, go! You just dropped something. What?
Faye, now.
Time to fly. It's like a whirlwind made of water. Weird. Elliot, are you okay? You need healing, and quickly. Stroke. I think we got trapped in this whirling thing. Don't let it carry us away.
jump isn't the right answer here, then.
Faye, please!
No, it isn't.
Time to die! Yikes! Looks like we better hurry!
Now, what might be in here? Hey!
It's a key! Yes! It's really strong! Wow! How long can you keep this going? They just dropped something. I wonder what?
Faye, now!
Time to fly!
What could this be?
Treasure chest might have something amazing inside.
Boss time. We'll get it done now. Oh, it's him again.
This'll do it!
Hold on! I'll save you right now! There! That's good! Now let's try again!
This'll do it! This'll do it! This'll do it! This'll do it!
Hold on! I'll save you right now!
You can afford it. It's not expensive.
There! That's good! Let's try again! You did it! I'm built for tough, Elliot!
What's in the chest? Is this the last one? Yeah, it is.
Show me what you've got,
Win it!
What?
This spear seems
Fine!
really strong!
Let's try it.
Nice going, Elliot!
This'll do it! Make through!
And away we go!
Let's get out. This actually is a good place to pause the video.
Whoa!